Alright guys, I'm doing a review on this Enjoy Life Plentils. This one here is garlic and Parmesan. So I just want to show you guys, this is milk-free, gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, and of course it is non-GMO, as you can see. Let's take a look at the ingredients. There's the nutrient panel. Here's the ingredients there. So it does have garlic powder. They use the yeast, I think, to simulate the cheese effect. So let's open this up. Give you a nice quick taste test. That's what they look like. Taste-wise, it's really light, fluffy. Really good. Has a nice garlic flavor to it. The Parmesan flavor does come through, surprisingly. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below and subscribe to the channel.